Welcome to eLearning Hub. Today we will practice our listening and speaking skills. Listen to the sentences carefully and try to understand the words. Let's start.
It is a chilly Monday morning when I wake up with a sore throat and a slight fever. I feel weak and decide that I need to see a doctor. After brushing my teeth and getting dressed, I call the clinic to book an appointment. The receptionist informs me that the earliest available slot is at 10:30 a.m. Grateful for the appointment, I quickly have a light breakfast and leave for the clinic. As I arrive at the clinic, I see a few people sitting in the waiting area. I walk up to the reception desk and greet the receptionist. "Good morning, I have an appointment with Dr. Smith at 10:30. The receptionist nods and asks, "Can I have your health insurance card, please?" I take out my card from my wallet and hand it over. The receptionist types something on the computer and returns the card. "Please take a seat. The doctor will see you shortly." I sit down and look around. A mother is trying to comfort her crying baby. An elderly man is reading a newspaper, and another woman is coughing into a tissue. I take out my phone and scroll through the news to pass the time.
It's time for vocabulary.
After about 15 minutes, a nurse steps out and calls my name. I stand up and follow the nurse into the examination room. "Please have a seat," the nurse says. "I need to check your temperature and blood pressure." I nod as the nurse places a thermometer under my tongue. After a few seconds, the nurse checks the reading. "You have a mild fever," she says. Then she wraps the blood pressure cuff around my arm and presses a button on the machine. The cuff tightens for a few moments before deflating. "Your blood pressure is normal. The doctor will be with you soon." A few minutes later, Dr. Smith enters the room. "Good morning, Sarah. How are you feeling today?" "Not great, doctor. I have a sore throat and a slight fever," I reply. Dr. Smith nods and puts on his gloves. "Let me take a look. Please open your mouth and say, 'Ah.'" I do as instructed while the doctor examines my throat with a small flashlight. "Your throat looks red and inflamed. Do you have a runny nose or any body aches?" "A little bit of both," I admit. The doctor checks my ears and listens to my breathing with a stethoscope. "It seems like you have a viral infection. Nothing serious, but you need rest. I'll prescribe some medicine to help with the symptoms." Dr. Smith writes a prescription and hands it to me. "Take these tablets twice a day after meals, drink plenty of fluids, and get enough sleep. If you don't feel better in a few days, come back for a follow-up."
It's time for vocabulary.
I thank the doctor and walk back to the reception desk. "I need to make the payment," I say. The receptionist checks the details and replies, "Your insurance covers most of it. You just need to pay $10 as a consultation fee." I take out my debit card and make the payment. I then walk to the pharmacy next door to collect my medicine. The pharmacist looks at the prescription and hands me a small bag with the medicine. "Take this with food and drink lots of water," he advises. I smile and thank him before heading home. As soon as I get back, I change into comfortable clothes, make a cup of warm tea, and take my medicine. Then I lie down on the couch with a blanket and turn on the TV to watch a lighthearted movie, hoping to feel better soon.
It's time for vocabulary. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.